Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I want to do something different today and talk a little bit more about some reasons behind what we're doing and do an unboxing here. Basically, let me just get right to it, as you probably read from the thumbnail, is that I'm rethinking a lot of stuff, especially when it comes to cases, right? And transportation and kit and loadout. Especially in an urban environment, because Pelican is not low vis. This is not low vis. Sure, people might think, oh, maybe it's camera gear, or something like that, but that's usually only photographers or people who know. To most people, when they see a Pelican case, even not one that's this size, I've had people comment to me in smaller size cases, like carry-on size cases, the Pelican 1510 in particular, oh, do you have a sniper rifle in there or something? Like, no, first of all, it wouldn't fit, I don't think. I don't know. I don't have a sniper rifle. I'm not a sniper, you know what I mean? But still, it just shows my point here that it's not low vis. You know what I mean? Like, Pelican is not low vis, and I'm rethinking stuff. So I've got something new. I talk about this brand a lot. I don't really want to try to pump it or anything like that, but I'm giving you guys a little heads up here. What I have in here is a Briggs & Riley duffel bag. So let's get it open, huh? So this was on sale. So I got this. Okay. Unboxing here. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see it. Okay. The receipt. So here we go. Bam. Duffel bag. Alright, let's get it out of the wrapper here. Now, the reason why I think this is the way to go for urban preppers is because it is no vis. This is like almost quintessentially gray man. Okay? Nice, okay. It's 32 inches long is supposed to be the interior measurements. So, what kind of things can you collapse down or fit within 32 inches? Well, a number of things, especially for preppers in urban areas that want to be no vis. All right. So nice. Okay, and then this has there's a strap here to help collapse that side down. Now there are wheels on this side. Okay. So stand by here. We'll see if this fits. I got the perfect thing to test in here, because I know what you're thinking. Will my rifle fit in here? Will my carbine fit in here, etc., right? All right, guys, we're gonna see what will fit in here. I got the perfect thing. This is the AR-10. Collapse down. Let's see here. Fit. Yeah, the angle, I can kind of get it to fit and close, but I mean, yeah, it fits. I'm not sure if let's just say a collapse down AR-10 will fit. So that'll give you an idea, guys. Just something fun I thought I'd share with you. So check out our other videos and leave a comment, and we'll get back to you later. Thanks.